This winter, experience the next generation in snow clearing technology with Snow Joe Shovelution, the ultimate strain-reducing snow shovel with spring assist handle. Now you can shovel smarter, not harder, to quickly and easily get snow out of your way. Just spring it and fling it. No more heavy lifting with a traditional shovel. No more aching back. Snow Joe Shovelution features an ergonomically designed spring assist handle that automatically shifts the lifting leverage to your lower hand, reducing back strain by up to 30% so you can lift more and throw farther. Make winter cleanup easy. Just spring it and fling it. With Shovelution's patented dual-handle spring-loaded system and clear, shatter-resistant 18-inch polycarbonate blade, you're always ready for the next load. Shovelution captures the expended energy from throwing the snow and rapidly recoils to instantly reset the shovel. Just spring it and fling it. Plus, Snow Joe backs every Shovelution with a 2-year warranty. So this winter, when it comes to snow, go with Joe. Shovelution from Snow Joe. Get equipped.